students, my name is Vishal Shukla, lecturer mechanical engineering from Hewitt Polytechnic, Lucknow. So in our series of AutoCAD tutorials, we are moving towards our exercise number 3. So let's have a quick look on our exercise. So here it is our exercise. What we are going to learn is, we are going to learn about the crucial object snap points and tools, and we'll learn about the tangent part over here, and we'll learn about this perpendicular part also. We'll learn about the quadrant part also. So basically these two drawings are very easy to be made by you. And let's start the AutoCAD part. So first of all, have a quick look on the first drawing. Let me zoom it. This drawing we are going to make first. So we can see that it is 150 cross 150 rectangle. So we are going to make it 150 150. Then we are going to learn about 3-point circle also in this figure. So it is very easy to be made. Don't worry about it. We are going to learn it. So you are very familiar with this page. This is AutoCAD 2020 educational version, and it is very easy, very much user friendly. So what you have to do is, in metric system, what you have to click on, it is akadisu.dwt. Then what you have to do is, you have first of all you have to do the page setup portion. So MV setup, जिस बच्चे को अभी तक पेज सेटअप करना ना आया हो, इस लेक्चर में और देख ले एक बार. MV सेटअप, पेपर स्पेस इनेबल नहीं करनी, एन एंटर, साइंटिफिक डेसिमल इंजीनियरिंग आर्किटेक्चर, यू हैव टू डू द डेसिमल पोर्शन ओनली, डेसिमल. स्केलिंग नहीं कर रहे हैं, फुल स्केलिंग पे रखेंगे इसे. 1 हो गया. पेपर विथ A3 की होती है 297, एंटर. हाइट होती है 420. तो मेरे ख्याल से, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ तो आपको ये पार्ट बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर है. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हम लोग मूव करेंगे अपने अदर पॉइंट पर, दैट इज टुवर्ड्स द फिगर. नाउ यू कैन सी दैट ऑल द रिबन पोर्शन इज व्हाट इन ऑन कंडीशन, एंड we are in the top view in 2D wireframe. So again, have a quick look on our drawing. It is 150 cross 150 square. So first of all, make this. Come on to the rectangular part. You can see that here it is rectangle and polygon. So click on to the rectangle part. What you have to make is, it is a square. It is 150. Oh sorry, we have not used the tab portion. Again going to do it. Enter part. Just make it okay. Okay. Going to make is 150. Do not press enter. Press tab. Again 150 and press enter. You can see that we have made a square. So now the question arises is what? How we can make this circle as no diameter and radius given to us. You can see in the figure there is not a single diameter or radius part given or of this inscribed circle inside a square. So what you have to do is, you have to use your mind and use your tool. AutoCAD tool is what? It is center radius, center diameter, 2 point. You are not able to make this circle by 2 point. Let me give an example. In 2-point circle, what you have to do is, first of all, mark the midpoint position in object snap. So you can see that what you have to do is, object snap में midpoint on होना चाहिए. कर लिया. मान लेते 2-point सर्किल बनाएंगे, इसके थ्रू बनाएंगे और इसके थ्रू बनाएंगे. ये स्क्वायर है इसलिए तो बन गया, लेकिन अगर 2-point सर्किल से ये तो बन गया क्योंकि ये क्या है, स्क्वायर है. लेकिन अगर ये स्क्वायर नहीं होता, दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको, बाहर दिखाता हूँ. अगर ये क्या होता, रेक्टेंगल होता, इट इज व्हाट 200 टैब 150. वेट, ओ उधर ही ले रहा है. because it is assuming xy from over here. We can make it over here only. 200 tab, make it 100. Now what you have to make it? Just click onto the 2 point, and if you want to make a circle inscribe, you will not be able to make it. You can see that कि ये यहाँ से नहीं बन पाएगा अगर ये नहीं होता, इंस्क्राइब नहीं हो पाएगा. सो मैं 2 point सर्कल से मैंने आपको बनाना सिखाऊंगा और 3 point सर्कल से भी आपको बनाना सिखाऊंगा. सो if you want to make it by 3 point circle, click onto the midpoint, click onto the midpoint, and click onto the midpoint. You can see that how easily we have made the inscribed circle with the help of 3 point tool. You can make it by 2 point also because all the sides of a square are same. So you can see that we have easily made the inscribed circle. Now you can, what you have to do is you have to make a circle and its diameter is given to you. That is what this symbol phi. This symbol phi is what? It is diameter. So it is what? It is 100. So we are going to make this circle, and it is very easy because in the circle portion center diameter option is given to you. No center is shown to you. It means that in the object snap tool the center is not on. Now come on to, you can see that center portion automatically blinking. So you can see that object snap tool is very much important geometrically in AutoCAD. So what you have to make, you can see that in dynamic info diameter portion is arising. So mark it 100 and press enter. You can see that 100 diameter circle is made by us. So let's have a quick look. We have made the 100 diameter circle. Now what you have to do is कि एक क्वाड्रेंट बनाना है, और वो कैसे बनाएंगे? सर्किल के क्वाड्रेंट पॉइंट से. सो come on to the AutoCAD part. In the object snap tool, click on the quadrant, because let me show you, if you select a line and come onto the line, it will only show the object snap will only show the center, but you have to click onto the quadrant part. But quadrant part is not blinking, you are not able to see it. What you have to do is you have to come into the object snap tool, click onto the quadrant portion, click anywhere in the screen. Now you can see that quadrant points are arising, are showing to you on the screen. They are blinking in green color in a quadrants. So let's have a quick look. What we have to do is we have to mark a quadrant. So let's start it. This is a quadrant, 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 and quadrant. Escape. Now you can see that we have made the another portion very easily. Now again a quadrant, but from the midpoint of the particular sides of that quad, or of the previously made quadrant. It's a what? It's a four-sided. It is actually a square. So we are going to make a square because all these lengths are what? Same. So come on to the AutoCAD screen. Just check on the object snap whether the midpoint button is on. Let's mark it off. Now click onto the line part and check whether a midpoint is coming to you. Not. It is not showing to you. It is only showing the endpoints and the quadrants, because quadrants and endpoint is on in the object snap toolbar. So come on to the object snap tool, click onto the midpoint, click anywhere on the screen. Now you will see that a green color triangle which shows the midpoint of the line. Click over here, click onto the another triangle, then another, then another, and then another. Now press the escape button. You can see that we have made a figure very clearly as it was given to us. Now what you have to do is, you have to dimension this 150, this diameter portion. Okay, only 3 dimensions are there. We're going to do the dimensioning part. So linear portion is already taken. Annotative. What you have to do is, always check whether all these things are in the annotative or not. Keep it annotative. Make it annotative. And for me, the good ratio is 1:2. So press on the dimension part, click it over here and dimension the portion. Dimension it. How easily we have made the dimensioning part? Press the escape button because we have to mark the diameter now. Now click the diameter portion. Click onto the circle from where you have to do is, it is 100. Now what you have to do is, actually I think only 3 dimensions are there. So 150 and this much is what? 100. So we are moving towards the figure number 2. We have made the first part. What is the figure number 2? First of all, see the drawing very clearly. Very clearly. If the drawing is clear, you can make it very easily. If the drawing is not clear, you are not going to make it. So there are 3 circles. 3 circles, and the diameter of all the circle is what? 50. Now the center distance of these 2 circles in a horizontal line is what? It is 100. Now the vertical length of this particular third circle is what? It is 100 given to us. Okay, so let's come on to the AutoCAD part and we can make it easily. First of all, move this drawing. So can we make the proper space for next drawing? Okay, press on to the move button. Select any endpoint. Okay, placed it on the topmost part. Now we have the enough space on this A3 size. We're going to make it. Okay, first of all, make this 100 line. Press onto the line, mark it ortho so that it will be a horizontally straight. Okay, mark it 100. Okay, press the escape button, come out of the line command. Press the circle with diameter because diameter is given to you and it was 50. The diameter is given what? 50. Again press enter. Whenever you will press enter, the last command will be repeated. The last command was circle command and it is you can see that it is repeated. And diameter is what? What you have to do is press onto the diameter part and it was given to us, or it is what? It is 50, I think. Okay, it is 50. So we have made it easily that it is 50. Now just see the figure once. It is what? We have to from the midpoint of this line we can take a straight line over here and we can easily make it. Okay, it is very easy. It will be a quick part to do. Okay, in our object snap tool, the midpoint is already taken. So mark it 100. Okay, press the escape button. Now what you have to make is, you have to make a 50 diameter circle over here. Press onto the center diameter portion. The center is this much. So why we have made this vertical line? We have made this vertical line to search the center of the third circle. So the center of the third circle was vertically upwards 100 from the center of these 2 particularly circles, and it is 100 and the diameter is what? 50. सो वी हैव मेड द थर्ड सर्किल, तीसरा सर्किल बहुत ईजिली हम लोग बना चुके हैं, आप लोग देख सकते हैं ऐसे। और अब हमें आगे क्या करना है, लेट्स सी इट इन द फिगर, कि हमें ये एक टेंजेंट यहाँ से यहाँ पर बनानी है, और ये टेंजेंट हमको यहाँ से यहाँ पर बनानी है। तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हम लोग इस टेंजेंट को इस टेंजेंट से बनाएंगे। हम लोग सबसे पहले वेट टेंजेंट पोर्शन को ऑन कर लेंगे, और उसके बाद जब भी आप सर्किल पे आएंगे लाइन लेकर के, तो टेंजेंट आपकी शो नहीं होगी। टेंजेंट इसलिए शो नहीं होगी, आप ये देखिए ऑब्जेक्ट स्नैप की आपको ये बात आपको याद रखनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि यहाँ पर अदर पोर्शंस ऑन हैं, अदर पोर्शंस आपके ऑन हैं, तो आपको क्या करना होगा, अदर पोर्शंस को ऑफ करना होगा और सिर्फ टेंजेंट को ऑन रखना होगा। जब सिर्फ टेंजेंट ऑन करेंगे तो फिर अदर पोर्शंस नहीं ब्लिंक करेंगे, और आप बहुत ही ईजिली इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं, टेंजेंट्स को बना सकते हैं। रिपीट द कमांड बाय प्रेसिंग ऑन टू द एंटर बटन and press the tangents, and again press the enter. You can see that we can make it tangent and press the escape button, and we can see it in the figure that we have made the figure what you have to make. So first of all, we'll click on to this, press the delete part, and just dimension it. And we can very easily do the dimensioning part because we have learned in the last lecture also. Press on to the press on to the linear portion. First of all, mark the linear portion, linear dimension. We have off the all the object snap tool. So press on to the center point, midpoint. We're going to help you out. Okay. Press the line, and you will see that center is blinking. Wait, we have to do the dimensioning part. Press onto the dimension, geometric center, endpoint, keep it on. Now it is blinking to you. It is also blinking to you, and mark it 100. Okay, you can see that the dimensioning is done very easily. Now what you have to dimension is, you have to dimension this length also. Going to dimension this length also very easily. You can see that we are very easily dimensioning the parts. Now, okay, what you have to do is, you have to mark it. You have to mark it diameter 50 at 3 places. You have to write this also. So see this thing properly. How to dimension this thing? It is very easy. Just you have to pick the leader option. ठीक है, ये लीडर ले सकते हैं, इसे क्लिक करेंगे, स्पेसिफाई द फर्स्ट एरो हेड। इसके लिए आप क्या करो बेटा, फिर से आप सिर्फ टेंजेंट को ऑन रखो, तो आपको सिर्फ वो पोर्शन दिखाई पड़ेगा। ये देखिए बहुत ही बारीकियां हैं, और इन बारीकों का आपको ध्यान रखना। आप देखिए सिर्फ अगर टेंजेंट को ऑन रखते हैं, ये देखिए इधर भी टेंजेंट शो करेगा, इधर भी टेंजेंट शो करेगा, तो आप एक काम करते हैं, यहाँ सेलेक्ट कर लेते हैं। ओह, ऑर्थो इज ऑन, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नॉट टेकिंग। ओके ओके, नाउ automatically the ledger arises. Now what you have to do is, you have to write, what is to be written is diameter 53 places. Okay, now you can take the diameter from symbols. Okay, write 50 space, again space 3 places, I think 3 places with the space, 3 places. Okay, 3 places, and just click it anywhere on the screen, and you will see that we have how easily we can write this thing. I am going to repeat this portion so that you can learn again it. Okay, So just I am deleting this. What you have to do is you have to take the ladder. Okay, it is here in the screen. Ladder, press anywhere on the screen. Okay, you can write it from here, or if you want to do it, you can press it over here because it is very clearly shown over here. Okay, whenever you click, the written portion will be blinking. It will show you. You can write over here. So you have to write the diameter. You take the diameter symbol from symbol part. You have to write 50 over here. Press space 3, then space, and then it is what? Places. And you have to do not press enter. You have to just click it anywhere over here. So you can easily see that we have made this portion. So you can see that how easily we have performed this exercise. So let's have a quick look on some basic parts. I'm going to teach you some basic parts so that you can learn the objects tool again. So first of all, I'm going to take a line. Okay, okay, mark it 100. No, mark it mark it 200. Again mark it 200. Again mark it 200. Close it. Now object snap tool. Endpoint is important. Endpoint, click onto the endpoint, press onto the line. Endpoint is showing. Ortho mode off because you have to make the diagonal line. These are some specific basics you have to learn. Now if somebody asks you, just make a perpendicular line from any edge, just mark a line. And if you can see that if I will going to make it, nowhere perpendicular is showing, because in the object snap tool perpendicular is not. If you are going to click anywhere, it will mark the endpoint because endpoint was blinking. Okay, so what you do is you have to first mark the perpendicular portion, press onto the endpoint, and what you do is click it. Now you can see that you can easily make the perpendicular part. So you can see that how much important is this part, how much important is the object snap tool. Now if somebody asks make a line from the midpoint of this square, you can see that no midpoint is showing. You will click anywhere, now it will come on to the endpoint only. So what you have to do is mark the midpoint portion in the object snap, click anywhere on the screen, and ये जो green circle छोटा सा रहा है ये midpoint बता रहा है आपको, and you can make the line by using the midpoint. How easily we have made this figure. If somebody asks you take a circle, अब देखिए the endpoint is showing to you. You can easily mark it 50. Again press enter. You can mark it 100. And again if you press the enter, the last command is repeated. Again you can press 50. Oh, it's a large circle. Okay, center with the radius. It is, you can write it 50. 50 is the last circle. Mark it 25. Okay. If somebody asks you to draw the tangents, now if you take a line to make a tangent over here, a tangent will not be shown to you, will not be going to be shown to you, because all the portions are on in condition. So ऐसी conditions में आपको अपना सारा करना ऑब्जेक्ट स्नैप ऑफ करके सिर्फ टेंजेंट ऑन रखना है. अब आप टेंजेंट ऑन रखेंगे तो आप देखिए कितनी इजीली आपको टेंजेंट शो हो रहे हैं, वरना आप एंटर प्रेस करते हैं लास्ट कमांड रिपीट होता है. देखिए कितनी इजीली हम लोग टेंजेंट्स को बना सकते हैं. एंटर, लास्ट कमांड इज रिपीटेड, एंटर, लास्ट कमांड इज रिपीटेड, we have made. So this is the portion of object snap you have to learn कि कहाँ पर हमें कुछ टूल्स को ऑफ करना पड़ जाए, कहाँ पर हमें ऑन रखना है, कहाँ पर हमें देखते रहना है. ऑब्जेक्ट स्नैप बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टूल है जो आपको बार बार आपको ऑटोकैड में यूज़ करना ही पड़ेगा. तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आपकी देखिए इस एक्सरसाइज के दोनों फिगर बहुत ही ईजिली हम लोग बना चुके हैं. ये दोनों फिगर्स हम लोग को बनाने थे और हम लोग देख रहे हैं हमने दोनों फिगर्स बना चुके हैं. सेव करने के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं, आप इसको सेव बटन पे किसी भी नाम से क्या कर सकते हैं, सेव कर सकते हैं. आपने मन हुआ आपने कर दिया लेक्चर 5 या 4, लेक्चर 5 कर दिया, सेव कर दिया, लेक्चर 5 आपका सेव हो गया बहुत ईजी. सो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको ये समझ में आया होगा. डायमेंशनिंग पार्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट स्नैप पार्ट, क्वाड्रेंट बहुत अच्छे समझ में आया होगा. सो इसी तरह पढ़ते रहिए, आगे बढ़ते रहिए और चीज़ों को सीखते रहिए. और अगर ऑटोकैड आप बेटा प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे हैं तो फिर आप ऐसे नहीं सीख पाएंगे. आपको प्रैक्टिस करना ही करना है. प्रैक्टिस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ऑटोकैड में. पढ़ते रहिए, आगे बढ़ते रहिए. उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको लेक्चर बहुत अच्छे समझ में आया होगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक्स अ लॉट.